Hello, or hola, from Chile. My name is Pablo, and I'm from Santiago. Santiago is a mix of old buildings and new buildings. My job? I'm a bus driver in Santiago. In my job, I speak Spanish and English. The mountains in Chile are very beautiful. It's very cold, but I love it.
Hello, my name's Eric, and I'm from British Columbia in Canada. I'm a waiter in a restaurant on a train. It's a good job. People are very nice, very friendly. I speak English and French in my job. Canada is beautiful. The rivers, the mountains, really beautiful. I love it here.
Assalamu alaikum. That's hello in my country, Oman. My name is Mina, and I'm a student at university in Muscat. I speak English and Arabic at university. Muscat is a beautiful city with many big buildings. For example, the Grand Mosque. But I'm not from Muscat. I'm from a small village in the countryside. It's very hot in my village, but I love it.
Hello, or hey, from Finland. My name's Kustaa, and I'm from Helsinki, the capital city of Finland. I'm a businessman in Helsinki. I speak English and Finnish in my work. And yes, it's very, very cold here. The countryside around Helsinki is beautiful, and it's very good for sports, winter sports. I really love it here.
Hi from Malaysia. I'm Aisha and I'm from Kuala Lumpur. KL is a big city with a lot of new buildings. I'm a shop assistant in a tourist shop. I speak English and Malay in my job. The countryside in Malaysia is beautiful. The beaches and the sea and the rivers. It's very hot here. I love it.